Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share your May 2026 add-on kits. So we have the cardstock add-on, patterned paper, and embellishment add-on. You can also add the shots of life because it coordinates and it can give you more patterned paper and embellishments as well. So be sure to check out those unboxing videos at the end. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything in each one of these add-ons. First, we're going to look at the cardstock add-on, and the cardstock add-on gives you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you'll get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So if you like doing double page layouts and cardstock backgrounds, we give you that option here. You can also tell how well the cardstock matches with the collections. You can also kind of see sometimes when we have collections that might intermingle with each other really well, or colors, that you can use across collections. So be sure to kind of take note of that. So starting with cardstock, for Bella Boulevard, Let's Celebrate, you're going to get 1 sheet of Amber and 2 sheets of Rainy Day. For the Lemonade from Carta Bella, you're going to get 1 sheet of Fussy and 2 sheets of Patina. Sorry about that. For Echo Park, Our Groovy Summer, you're going to get 1 sheet of Shamrock and 2 sheets of Hibiscus. And then for Simple Stories, Color Me Happy, you're going to get a sheet of Flamingo and 2 sheets of Lemonade. Next up, we're going to look at the patterned paper add-on. And for the patterned paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So I'm just going to stack these up so it's a little bit easier to go through them. We'll leave the pattern or the cardstock there. So starting with Bella Boulevard, Let's Celebrate, we have Starry Script, which just says Let's Celebrate with the gold stars. The back is a gold star pattern. We have Light the Night, which is kind of these flares, fireworks in the gold and the black, and the back is a black polka dot. For Carta Bella Lemonade, we have this pattern paper here, which is the glass of lemonades and the lemons scattered out. The back is a pink geometric pattern. That paper is called Sweet Lemonade. And then we have a lemon cluster with florals and the blues and the pinks going throughout. The back is a green tone-on-tone geometric, and this one is Squeeze the Day Lemons. Our Groovy Summer from Echo Park, we have a pattern with all of the roller skates in the different colors. The back is a tone-on-tone pink with the little X's. That's Rollaway Skates. This one has the groovy looking flowers and all of the different colors from this collection, and the back is a circle print. This paper is called Groovy Flowers in the green, kind of minty green. For Color Me Happy, we're going to get the Journal Elements, which is always one of my favorites. I love their different sizes. I love that they have things that you can cut out and just kind of use as embellishments as well as journaling spots. The back is multicolored bows on a blue-green plaid background. This paper is the Details, which is a grid design in all of the different colors, and then we have a pink grid. So super cute. You can see these B-sides. You can play a lot throughout all of the collections from the B-sides. Super cute. So that is your patterned paper add-on. For your embellishment kit, starting with the Bella Boulevard, Let's Celebrate, you're going to get a half a pack of the epoxy stickers. So these are what I received. We have a white, black, and gold, and the stars and the hearts, and then that circle and the little like diamond shape. For Carta Bella Lemonade, everybody will get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have 2 borders down here in the blue. Oops, got a little flower there. Really large title piece here. Love the lemon cake and the little cart. So a lot of embellishments on that. For Echo Park, Our Groovy Summer, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets from the sticker book. So these will vary. This is the one that I got. You're also going to get some brads from that collection, and those are the ones that I received. For Simple Stories, Color Me Happy, you're going to get half a pack of the floral bits. So again, these will vary among the kits. because the pack is split in half, but lots and lots of floral clusters there. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out these unboxing videos for the shots of life and for the flavors of the month so you can see everything that's in those kits. Be sure to check out the store. We have other kits available. We have lots of individual items, so be sure to check all that out. There's also a lot of sale items. Join us on the Facebook group and jump in on those challenges and look at all of the inspiration that we have going on over there. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.